going to come down to yours might be on the side of the screen. Mine is on the bottom, this blue W, and open a Word document. And you'll see that the blue blank document here is selected, and we will click Create. Now you're going to type your name 5 times. Our goal today is to be able to change our font and our size. So you are going to click on the right side of your name and you are going to drag your mouse across. You will know it's highlighted when you see that it is blue. You're then going to come up, and if you look right here, it says Calibri. You will click this arrow and it will drop down and you will be able to see all these cool, fun fonts. You can pick whatever font you like to change your name to, and now you've got a new font. I'm going to just make my screen a little bit bigger for you so that you can see it. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat this for my name each time. So I click next to my name and highlight it. Again, it's blue. I'm going to come up. This time I'm going to pick a different font so that each time my name shows up differently. See how fun that is? So I'm going to repeat this. This is a fun option to do so that your name doesn't always have to show up, or sorry, any of your typing that you're doing doesn't always have to show up in the same font. And the farther down you go, the different kinds of options that you have for your fun fonts. And I always like to try different fonts that I maybe haven't tried before. There's a really fun one. Once you have gone through and changed the font to a different style, you will start up at the top again and repeat with changing the size. So you will come up to where you'll see this 12. It will always default to 12, and so then I want you to go and make it into 36. And I want you to be able to kind of see how the sizing changes. So I want you to highlight, and I want you to try some different sizes. So I'll try 26, and then let's be really bold, and we're going to try a big old 72. And I'm going to do 18. So you are going to play around with your different size of fonts. Now, as you can see, I chose 72 for this font, but this one ended up being bigger. Depending on the font, will depend on how big that it gets. Sorry, depending on the style. And if you make it this far, there's a bonus if you want to change the color. If you look up here at the blue, sorry, that's not blue, that's red. At the red, capital A, if you click this, you can actually change the color. And it's fun to see the different color options. And that is how you change the style of your font, the size of your font, and the color of your font.